Hello guys, Nerfvoice24 here. Today I have a Christmas special, pre-Christmas. So today I'll be shooting at an Ornament with the Crossman Stinger R39. Hopefully one hit will make the Ornament blow up. I've taken every safety precaution possible. That is saran wrap. It's not paper because I wanted to be able to see it blow up if that's possible. I will be wearing my Airsoft mask, not just my safety glasses, but my mask, just in case. So yeah, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so let's get the camera out. Sorry, hang on. My tripod's a little hard. Yeah. As you can see, the Ornament is completely destroyed. I'm hoping you saw it get blown up. Yeah. Oh, there's glass that came out from there. And let me grab a flashlight. Yeah, I know it's dark. I'm sorry. Flashlight. Let's light that up. Oh, Christmas carnage. Don't you just love some Christmas carnage? I will dump all that out and possibly make another video, but don't count on it.